Hi guys, I am Sonal and today I'm sharing this eggless 5-minute coffee pudding recipe. It is so creamy, rich and not too sweet. The best thing about this dessert is that it is eggless and requires very minimum number of easily available ingredients. Go ahead and try out this super easy dessert recipe and enjoy it with your friends and family. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you find my videos useful, please do like and subscribe. Your support and faith encourages me to do better. The good thing about desserts like these is that you can plan ahead. I have made them several different ways and this is one of my favorites. Perfect for those times when you want a quick fix dessert. I like to serve this coffee pudding with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. You can pull together this dessert in just 5 minutes on those nights you have unexpected guests or just want to treat yourself. It is super easy to prepare, no electric mixer or blender required. I mean, seriously, what more could you ask for? A spoon with a rich coffee flavor and a hint of chocolate, a true coffee lover's dream. This pudding revives my childhood memories. My mom used to make this when I was in my high school. I used to stay awake during exams all night and this pudding was my savior. Yes, I was one of those caffeine addicted people who doesn't start their day without a cup of coffee. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, do share it in the comment section below. Bye!